What's up, my kings? Welcome back to the channel where we take regular dudes and forge them into absolute legends. Today, I'm dropping a nuke on you. 5 forbidden tricks that will make every girl fall in love when she sees you, stumbling over herself, and losing her damn mind the second you walk in. These aren't your uncle's be polite tips or some weak, send her a text playbook. These are psychological weapons so potent, they'd slap a warning label on them if they could. We're diving headfirst into science, charisma, and that untouchable aura that turns heads and breaks hearts. I've spent years cracking this code, crashed hard, won bigger, tested it all in the wild so you can skip the rookie mistakes and step straight into greatness. By the end of this, you'll be a walking, talking cheat code for attraction. You ready to rewrite the rules? Let's roll. Hold up, quick heads up, this isn't some quick fix fluff. This is deep game, and number 1. It's the ultimate power move that'll change everything. Don't skip ahead, you're in for the full ride. Grab a drink, settle in, weary going long, we're going hard, and we're transforming you into a legend. Here we go. Fact number 5, the mysterious gaze. This is your gateway kid, fellas' eyes are your secret assassin. Listen up, Harvard brainiacs found that holding eye contact for 3 to 4 seconds spikes oxytocin levels. That's the trust hormone, the I feel you chemical that hits her right in the feels. But here's the genius part, you don't just stare like a weirdo at a bus stop. You lock in, let her feel that shiver down her spine, then wham, you break it. Look away like you just remembered you're late for a meeting with the president or spotted a UFO. Why is this a knockout punch? It's pure psychology. Intrigue is king. She's sitting there wondering, wait, what just happened? Why'd he stop? Is he too cool for this? You're not begging for her approval, you're tossing her a crumb and strolling off. I've got stories for days on this. Tried it at a coffee shop, locked eyes with this girl while ordering, held it for 3 beats, then grabbed my drink like I didn't notice her. 2 minutes later, she's sliding over, hey, what's that you're drinking? Didn't even have to try. Another time, at a friend's gig, same move across the crowd. She accidentally bumps me later asking about the band. It's not luck, it's the gaze doing the heavy lifting. Let's nerd out. The Journal of Nonverbal Behavior spills the tea. Women are hardwired to snag subtle signals like hawks on the hunt. Eye contact roars confidence loud and clear, breaking it snarls, I don't need your stamp. Blend those, and you're a living puzzle she can't toss aside, itching to crack you open. I used to butcher this, stared too long, looked like I was casing the joint for a heist, all wild-eyed and weird. Took me a solid month in the mirror, fine-tuning that interested but unbothered edge. 3 seconds, slight smirk, then poof, gone like smoke. Now it's automatic, smooth as breathing, baked into my bones. Real-world example, pulled it off on a train once. Girl across the aisle locked eyes like a laser, held it steady, then broke it to scroll my phone like I'm decoding secrets. 5 stops later, she's leaning over, hey, you know this route? I didn't have a clue, but she didn't give a damn, the vibe snagged her tight. Here's the science kicker, studies say prolonged eye contact cranks up tension like a taut wire. Snap it early, and you're the one steering that charge. It's a power play, pure and slick. How to crush it? Count to 3, 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, slight grin, then shift. Glance at your watch, the sky, your coffee, whatever sells the moment. Look busy, but not rushed. Too long, you're unsettling, too short, you're forgettable. If she's got sunglasses, aim for the forehead, still lands. Start small, hit a cashier with it, your sister, your dog. Test the waters. Watch their eyes flicker, then glow. That's it. You're planting seeds, subtle but sure, and they're already growing. Fact number 4, the scent trap. Gentlemen, your scent is a superpower and odds are, you're wasting it. Fact, the Manel Chemical Senses Center found that women's noses are up to 100 times more sensitive than ours. That means before you even speak, she's already caught a whiff of your vibe. A killer fragrance isn't just deodorant, it's a silent signal that says, I'm the guy. Go woody sandalwood, cedar, outlayer in a citrus twist. That contrast? It's bold, fresh, and hits like a freight train of attraction. Smell right, and you don't just turn heads, you stay on her mind. Brain dive. Smell links straight to the limbic system, emotions, memories, the deep, primal stuff. One whiff, and she's tagging you as confident, unforgettable. I used to drown in cheap body spray, big mistake. Smelled like a middle school locker room on overdrive. Then I leveled up, real cologne, game changer. At the gym, post-sweat, still carrying that woody, fresh scent, this girl stops me, you smell unreal, what is that? I'm in ratty shorts, dripping, but the fragrance? Pure magnetism. Another time, grocery store bread aisle. Girl sniffs the air, locks eyes, is that you? Wow. I'm holding stale bagels, but in her mind, I'm premium. Story time. My buddy tested this on a blind date, dabbing on a woody citrus blend, nothing loud, just a whisper of scent. Halfway through dinner, she's leaning across the table, eyes bright, saying, you smell like this trip I took to Italy. He's never stepped foot outside Ohio, but that fragrance spun him into a globe-trotting mystery man. I've seen it work at parties too. Wore a sandalwood mix one night, and this girl kept drifting back, orbiting me with, what's that smell? It's not sorcery, it's pure biology, tugging at something primal. Science bit. A study from Chemical Senses found that certain scents like wood and citrus mimic pheromones, flipping attraction switches in the brain. So, I ran a test. Before a meeting, one light spray. Midway through, a coworker leans in, you smell like you run this place. I don't, but the scent said otherwise. Application. Precision matters. 2 sprays, one neck, one wrist. Rub it in, body heat activates it. Overdo it, and you're a walking gas leak. Seen guys bomb that way. Less is king. Smell right, and you're not just noticeably remembered. Budget hack. Can't justify $200 on Creed? No problem. Mix a few drops of vanilla extract into unscented lotion, boom, instant gourmand scent. Warm, rich, and smooth. Tested it myself, random dude at the park asked if I'd been baking. Works like a charm. The point? Smell right, and she's hooked before you even say, hi. Luxury isn't about pricey, it's about presence. Fact number 3, the King's Stride. Your walk is your billboard, kings. UCLA research says a confident, deliberate stride boosts your attractiveness by 70%. 70. That's game-changing. Women read body language like we read a scoreboard instantly. Slumped shoulders, hesitant steps. You're broadcasting, I'm unsure. But a straight back, steady pace, and the kind of walk that owns the ground? That's a silent roar, I'm the one. Presence speaks before you do. Make sure it's saying the right thing. Proof in the wild, tested this at a mall. Day 1, dragging my feet, 0 action. Day 2, walking like I own the lease, girls turning, one stops me, hey, where's the food court? I'm clueless, but I point anyway, confidence sells. It's not about rushing, it's about ruling. Think cinematic, DiCaprio in Wolf, Denzel in Training Day, they don't scurry, they strut. I used to slouch, gamer hunch from late night Call of Duty. Took a month to rewire, but now I feel unstoppable. Science drop. Personality and Social Psychology Bulletin says posture signals status, stand tall, and her brain clocks you as elite. I saw it live at a concert. This guy walks in, slow, solid, no flash, just presence. Heads turned like he was the headliner. Me. I ran my own test at the park, shoulders back, chin up, owning my space. A jogger slows down, you look like you're going somewhere big. Truth. I was just grabbing a sandwich. But the stride? It sold the story. Another tale, walked into a bar's low, deliberate. Bartender gives me the nod, like I'm VIP. I'm not, but the vibe. Pure money. Here's how, picture a string pulling your head up. Now, slow your pace by 20%, not zombie slow, just, I own time, slow. Practice at a store, own the aisles. Tried this at Target, lady stops me, do you work here? You look in charge. I was just buying socks. But the walk. Regal. Fact number 2, the stealth compliment. Trash that, you're hot, line every clueless chump parrots it, and it's just dull static buzzing in the void. The real move? Zero in on something she chose, something deliberate, that jacket's got serious style, pure edge, or your energy's electric, the kind fakers wish they could bottle. It's sharp as a blade, raw and real, proves you're not just costingieri switched on, eyes wide open. Girls go wild, practically melt, for guys who catch those sly little details that everyone else misses. Why it's fire, psychological science drops the truth bomb. Unique praise sticks like superglue, while generic crap fades faster than a cheap candle. Hit her with that playlist you mentioned. Elite taste, pure gold, and she's replaying it in her head all night, vibing to your echo. Tested it at a cafe, leaned in, your laugh's got this spark, rare as hell. She blushed hard, cheeks glowing, stuck around peppering me with questions like I'd unlocked her. At work you make this soul-crushing pit feel alive. Instant grin flashed across her face, instant vibe locked in, like I'd flipped a switch. Learning curve, I used to overcook it. Yuri amazing, a goddess. Total belly flop, crashed and burned. Now I keep it raw and real. At a friend's party, leaned over, that hat's a power move, not everyone could own it like that. She beamed like a spotlight hit her, kept me talking all night, hooked on the vibe. Say it like it's stone cold fact, oh, those boots. Killer, no debate. Don't hover like a lost kid, drop it clean and roll on, smooth as silk. Add that rarity twist, few people rock that like you do. Ego shoots sky high, games sealed tighter than a vault. Test run, rolled up to a cashier, UV got a chill vibe, makes this line less of a grind. Watch her spark up like a live wire, eyes flashing. Took me a few clumsy tries to ditch the sappy mush, but now. Sniper shots, dead on every time. Tried it at a gas station, that pin's dope, killer choice. Guy behind me nods, hell yeah, she's all smiles, beaming like I handed her gold. Precision's the name of the game, sharp and lethal. Fact number 1, the unreachable aura. Number 1, the unreachable aura. This is the throne, king's the ultimate crown jewel. Psychology blasts it loud and clear, people crave the rare, the untouchable. Too available, and you're just dull wallpaper, fading into the background. Keep it distant, elusive. You're the hidden treasure she's dying to hunt down. Don't text back like a lightning bolt. Don't bare your soul like an open book. Tease her with a sly glimpse, a spark of mystery, then vanish like a shadow in the night. She'll chase you, heart pounding, with zero clue why she's hooked. Proof in action, girl texts, what's up? I fire back, messing with something cool, you. Then ghost like a pro. An hour later, she's flooding me with dog pics, tail-wagging chaos. Why? I didn't buckle like a chump. She's spinning, is he busy? With someone hotter? What's he hiding? I used to overtext like a fool, dumping paragraphs, vibe slaughtered on the spot. Now I wait, let it simmer. At a bar, chat her up, drop a slick line, then, gotta bounce, catch you later. She tracked me down through the crowd, hooked like a fish on a line. Science slams it home, Journal of Personality dubs it scarcity rare, shines like priceless gold. Be the guy with a pulse, a life buzzing beyond her reach. Last week, party chatted her up, smirked, fun talking, I'm out, and vanished into the vibe. She hunted me down through the chaos, breathless, where you going? Nowhere special, just grabbing a drink, but that aura. Pure platinum, glowing like a damn trophy. How to pull it off? texts keep M short, cool as ice, and delayed like a master move. She drops, "Hey, what's good?" You hit back, "Hey, vibing," you, then wait an hour, let it hang in the air. In person, exit on a peek, catch you later, got stuff brewing, and glide out like a legend. She'll wonder, mind racing, what's he up to? Why's he so damn smooth? This isn't game sits owning your worth, solid as steel. Try it one sesh'll flip like a switch, guaranteed. Let's sum it up. There it is, my legends. 5 forbidden moves: the mysterious gaze, the scent trap, the king's stride, the stealth compliment, and the unreachable aura. This isn't a list, it's your new blueprint. You're not here to beg, chase, or blend in, you're here to dominate, to flip the script so girls go from whatever to who is this man? In a heartbeat. This is science, strategy, and swagger you can wield today. Picture this: every king, Alexander, Caesar, hell, even modern icons like Denzel, they had that edge. That vibe that says, "I'm here, and you're damn lucky to witness it." You've got the arsenal now: the gaze that hooks M deep, the scent that pulls M in, the walk that owns every inch, the words that strike gold, and the aura that keeps M spinning. Start small, hit that cashier with the gaze tomorrow. Drop that compliment on your coworker. Stride through the store like it's your kingdom. Watch the world bend. This is your shot, kings. You're not just watching Yuri rising. You're not some average Joe anymore, a force. Smash that like button if you're ready to own this life. Comment below, tell me which move's your first strike, which one's got your blood pumping. Subscribe, because we're building something massive here. This is just the warm-up. Share this with your crew, let's raise an army of legends. You're not here to play smile, you're here to rule. Step up, take it, make M drool. Catch you in the next Onigo, be unstoppable.